In this video, we're gonna determine the set of points that satisfy x squared plus 2x plus y squared equals 0. Okay? There are many ways to do this, but one of the keys is that we can notice that if we can complete the square here, we'll get something that we know. Okay, so what's the missing here in x squared plus 2x? So we add and subtract 1. So plus 1 minus 1 plus y squared is 0. This trick always works. So what do we have here? We have x plus 1 squared plus y squared, and we have to add the minus 1 to this side. Okay, so we notice that this is the equation of a circle that's centered at minus 1, 0, and that has radius 1. So in this case, we get this circle. Okay, it's not exactly the circle, but it's basically this is the set of points. So the set of points that satisfy this one is this circle. Okay. Another way that we can use to solve for the set of points is we can write y squared is minus x squared minus 2x. Okay. And after that, we can just take the square root. Okay, plus minus square root of x minus x squared minus 2x. We need to have one condition here. We need to have minus x squared minus 2x bigger than 0. That means that we need to have x squared plus 2x less than 0 if we multiply by a minus. Okay, so in this case, we add and subtract, or we can just solve for this one. We can do a small factorization here. It's x times x plus 2 less than 0. Okay, okay, so here to determine the values, okay, we set our axis. Okay, so the values of x is minus infinity plus infinity, and the zeros here are minus 2, and 0. So we have x plus 2. So when x is less than 0, you have negative values. When x is less than minus 2, we have negative values. We multiply here, we get plus minus plus. We are interested in the set of values that would make this one less than 0. So it's here. So x is in this set, minus 2, 0. Okay? If we graph just the plus sign, okay, this first one, minus x squared minus 2x, if we graph this one, we get it's between minus 0 and minus 2, okay, and it's positive. So here we get half a circle. The other one, the minus sign, is just the reflection of this half around or about the x-axis. Okay, so we get the same thing. We get a circle of center minus 1, 0 and radius 1. Okay, but anyways, so this is the quickest way to solve. So it's sometimes you need to know the equation of the circle to be quick and efficient in solving this kind of equations. Another thing is we need to be able to see this like these ones. Okay, you add and subtract 1 to be able to get this result quickly, x plus 1 squared. So we're gonna see these famous identities like a plus b squared, a minus b squared, a plus b plus c squared or cubed. Someone or one needs to know them by heart and needs to know how to apply them. Okay, anyways, the set of points that satisfy x squared plus 2x plus y squared is the circle centered at -1, 0, and having radius 1. So it's this one here. Okay, thank you very much.